Banks are facing strong headwinds with long-lasting low interest rates, eroding revenues, and running costs that are remaining too high. Client expectations, client needs, and client behaviors are also changing. They value human interactions, but they want more digital now. They have difficulties to perceive the value of banks and the differences between brands. And they see also new entrants entering the market with new, innovative, and digital services. It's the perfect timing for banks to reinvent themselves and change their value proposition to their customers. Of course, align with their positioning, their DNA, and their values, while in parallel building a new operating model viable economically.
To reinvent bank models means above all to focus on digital mode when exhibiting services. It also means to take into account the human into consideration and support employees with their relationship with customers, remotely or physically, with proactive and real-time advices. Whatever the channels, banks are expected to provide more personalized and engaging services.
Cloud and data will be key in the reinvention of banks moving forward to reinforce the level of automation of banks, but also to engage customers in a more proactive, more relevant, and more personalized way. Google Cloud positions itself on these topics with a unique approach, very customer-centric, very transformation-centric, bringing its expertise and experience on data and artificial intelligence to solve the business challenges of banks, such as anti-money laundering, anti-fraud, but also recent topics such as open banking, ecosystem and platforms, and digitalization of interactions, reducing the volumes of calls in contact centers, and also augmenting employees to be more relevant in front of their customers.
Innovation is key, but we also need to take into consideration 3 requirements specific to the finance institutions. A complex and hybrid legacy made up of on-premise and multi-cloud environments, strong data security, and pressure from regulators. On the first hand, Google Cloud enables to run and deploy services on any type of environments thanks to its orchestration platform called Anthos. It is based on open source distribution, which unlocks customers from any type of environments. And this is also the gateway to sovereignty and reversibility. To secure banking data, Google Cloud encrypts them in transit, at rest, and very recently also in processing. And we can also delegate the complete control of the encryption key system to our customers. Finally, facing regulators, we can also support some customers like HSBC and Goldman Sachs in the governance of their risk data and the scalability of their reporting. Our teams are very complementary. Accenture is focused on the business knowledge of our banking customers, and Google Cloud brings its technology verticalized for the banks, plus its culture of innovation. And together, we are capable of addressing the end-to-end transformation within a bank.
Indeed, we believe that our collaboration is mutually reinforcing and beneficial. Google Cloud brings its technology and is used to deploy projects for billions of customers at scale. Accenture scales technology for transformation for companies. Together, we share a joint culture of innovation, and we bring end-to-end capabilities for transformation and for cultural change of the actors of the banking industry. We have been learning in the past to work together in different sectors, but also in the banking industry with some leaders such as BBVA or Lloyds.